Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of a reaction for today. For today guys, I think I'm gonna watch recommendations in here. I was recommended to watch 3 of SB19's ballad songs, Ilaw, Hanggang sa Huli, and Niebe. So I think I'm gonna watch 3 of those ballad songs today. Let's go guys, I'm so excited. First, I'm gonna watch Ilaw. So I'm gonna go with their Ilaw lyric video.
Kanina ay nahuli ang aking sarili. Nakangiti na naman at nagkukumli.
It's like quite an, in acoustic style. I don't know to whom they actually dedicate this song because it's Ilaw. So we know that Ilaw ng tahanan is the mother, right? So I would assume that this is for their mothers, for the mothers out there.
At pagdating sa aking tahanan ay hindi ko na naman mahanap aking susi. Saang lubalap ko bato na itabi pasintabi na naman. Nalilito, nahihilo na sa inyo. Nasaan na nga ba ang sarili kong pagkatao? Sa mga bulong ko, kahit pa ako sumigaw ay malabo.
Oh, I really love that high note in there, I think that's Pablo's voice. The genius. He is like the genius songwriter, producer, name it. That's Pablo. Anyway.
Pakinggan nyo naman ako. Bakit ninyo subukan buksan ang bukas namang pinto nang tuluyan ang makita nyo? Tunay na ako, di nagtatago sa likod na bumubulang na ilaw na to.
Okay, so yeah, I don't think it's for their mothers. I think this is for their fans or something, or those people who actually judge them. Yeah, I think so.
Napapamuni-muni sa kawalan ng huni. Di mapapirmi aking sarili. Ilang nga ang dahilan kung ako ngayon nasan man. Ngunit kailangan kong magpahinga, pati ng ilupan samantala.
So Ilaw ang dahilan. I think that this is like their fame, a symbol for their fame. So yeah.
Bakit ganito? Inakalang magbabago? Kabayaran ba dito'y sarili ko'y maglalaho?
So I think there is some inner struggles. You cannot go back to where you were in the past because you are so famous right now. And there's certain things that you can do already because you're so famous already. Anyway.
Sino bang may tenga sa mga bulong ko? Kahit pa ako'y sumigaw ay malabo. Oh, tao po, pakinggan nyo naman ako.
I really love that voice. There's a rasp at the end of every note.
Subukan buksan ang bukas namang pinta nang tuluyan ang makita nyo. Tunay na ako, di nagtatago sa likod na bumubulag na ilaw na to. Ito na naman ako.
Who's that voice? Very emotional, and it's like a crying voice. Just telling you.
Patungo sa presinto.
Oh,
Mag-iisip ng kung ano-ano. Kailan bang laya ko dito? Eto na naman ako. Pwede bang ipagpaliban muna ng isang linggo? Pwede muna bang hinto? Papalapit na, ako'y papalapit na. Bigat siya pag ng bawat takbang nitong paa.
I can sense that's Ken's voice. That's so heavy.
Sa lugar kung saan ayaw kong pumunta. Wala na bang iba? Wala na ba? Patuloy ang aking paghahanap sa pag-asa. Ngunit walang saysay ba ang pamamagkaawa? Ano ba ba ang kabuluhan nitong aking paghinga? Sino? 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 Pag may tenga sa mga bulong ko, kahit pa ako'y sumigaw ay malabo. Malabo. Malabo! Sino? Bang may tenga sa mga bulong ko, kahit pa ako'y sumigaw ay malabo. At tao po, pakinggan nyo naman ako. Subukan buksan ang bukas namang pinta. Nang tuluyan ang makita nyo, tunay na ako, di nagtatago. Sa likod ang bumubulag na ilaw na ito.
Anyway, yeah, I don't know where they get the inspiration of this song because this could be interpreted either way. Yeah, I think I interpreted it in a different way. They interpreted it. It could be for those who feel that they are alone or something, or those who are judged. But yeah, this is a very wonderful song. Anyway, I'm gonna go with Hanggang sa Huli. Oh, there is I think, music video in here, Hanggang sa Huli, from SB19 official. So I'm just gonna watch it. Anyway, let's go. Hanggang sa Huli. Its intro itself tells that it's gonna be emotional. Ooh, it's like animated. SB National High School. Apply for scholarship now. This is set in a school. Nice.
Sa ating puso'y nag-iisa, mayroong himig na kumakatok sa pinto ng aking alaala. Di na dapat tumitig pa sa iyong mga mata. Ngayon ikaw na lang ang nakikita.
It's actually like a, an OST to a Korean drama.
Sa panaginip ko ay naroon ka. At kahit pa ang mundo ay mag-iba, ako'y laging nandito. Di man ako para sa'yo, puso'y di magbabago. Walang iba, walang iba, wala nang hahanapin pa. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, sa'yo hanggang sa huli.
This is like, a high school memory. High school life is a very enjoyable life. And yeah, that's so true. Ooh, hi Alice, sorry kung hindi ko masabi sa'yo ng personal, pero dahil patapos nga ang junior year. Oh, really?
Dapat lang ika'y limutin na
Yeah, because you were friends in high school, and then in college you tend to really separate ways because of your careers, choosing paths, of course.
Di mo madarama Di na dapat tumitig pa sa'yo mga mata
Hmm.
Pagkat ikaw pa rin
This looks like Josh.
ang nakikita Tanging pag-asa Mo'y biglang naglaho
This is actually, I think this is Ken. Anyway.
Ngunit pag-ibig ko'y di nawala At kahit ba ang mundo ay mag-iba Ako'y laging nandito Himan ako para sa'yo Puso'y di magbabago Walang iba, walang iba
Ooh.
Wala nang hahanapin pa Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo
Oh, really? So I really knew that that was Josh.
Sa'yo hanggang sa huli Kung pinagtagpo Tayong dalawa'y para sa isa't isa At nasabi ko ang lahat noon Ay may mababago ba Sa aking bawat paghinga Dalangin magupiling ka At kung ito na ang huli Nais kong
Oh, I'm still the one who serves your coffee every time. Ooh.
malaman mo na
Oh, the year is 2034. Hmm.
Mahal kita
Ooh.
Mahal kita Mahal kita Walang iba Walang iba Wala nang hahanapin pa Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo Sa'yo hanggang sa
Mm. Whoa. I don't know, but I think there is a hidden message to this song. I think they dedicated this song for someone special to them. But this is like a story of friendship and high school love. Okay, so that's Hanggang sa Huli by SB19. That's such a cool animation. Okay, so that's it, guys. So let's go to Niebe, the last song that I'm gonna watch today. An official visualizer from SB19 official. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna pick it. Watch anyway. Let's go.
What is?
Ooh. Also, first off, Niebe is snow, right? And snow, we have no snow winter here in the Philippines. Anyway.
Uncertainty.
Ooh. What is uncertainty?
What is
Whose voice is that?
longing? What is hopelessness?
Hmm. These are all negative nouns.
What is
What is? Okay. It's not what if. It's what is. Ooh. Well, I guess this is not from the Philippines. So I think this is out of the country. These buildings. Platin Jewelry. Ooh, where is it located?
Bakit ba di ko na malayang dumadampi na sa aking muka? Lamig na mabigat pa sa dala. Kahit pa palapit na ang inabangan nila nano'y pinatibok.
Definitely, this is not shot in the Philippines. So I think this is like shot abroad when they were having a concert outside the country. I just think so. Anyway.
Puso kong ngayo'y nagyelo na. Di ko na alam ang aking
This is like a song for the ones you love, a song dedicated to your loved ones who are away from you. So you are distant from each other. Like for lovers, it's an LDR, long distance relationship. And for your family, it looks like it is dedicated to the OFWs or something. I just think so.
gawin pa. Ako'y kontento na basta alam kong tayo'y humihinga pa. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ay hindi ko na alam kung paano pa ba ako magiging masaya. Tayo may maghalayo.
Yeah. So yeah, there is really like for our modern heroes nowadays, the OFWs.
Langin ko'y kayo. Takot ay maglalaho. Itong aking pangako. Ako'y nandito. Alam ko na hindi ito posible. Pero bakit bumubuhos ang niebe? Nalalamig ang bisig, hinahanap ang iyong tinig. Mahagkan ka sana'y di imposible. Oh, niebe, niebe, niebe. Malamig may di nabali. Niebe, niebe, niebe. Basta't nandyan ka parating. Nalalamig ang bisig, may kaba pa sa aking dibdib. Marinig lang ang iyong tinig. Matutunaw din lahat ng niebe.
There's actually a flying airplane in there, indicating, being really being distant from your family. Moods of the sea change quickly like me. True. That's true. Ooh.
Ginugulo sa lahat ng bagay na ginahangat. Di na malay ang oras ay lumilipad. At kung ako'y nakalipat ay babalik siyang pakpak ng sa ganon oras ay huminto.
eyes are this? Crying eyes.
Alam ko na hindi ito posible, pero bakit bumubuhos? Bakit bumubuhos? Oh, niebe, niebe, niebe. Niebe, niebe, niebe. Oh, alam ko na hindi ito
Voice change key.
hindi posible.
Launderland, the laundromat. Ooh. This is yet another masterpiece of SB19. This is Niebe official visualizer. Oh, there is. How can we resent the life we've created for ourselves? Who's to blame? Who's due credit but us? Who can change it anytime we wish but us? That's from Richard Back or Batch. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's Niebe official visualizer of SB19. So yeah, I think this is another masterpiece, and this is for our modern heroes out there working abroad, of course, sacrificing themselves just for to provide for their family. This is really so emotional, you know. Those are the three ballads that I've watched today: Ilaw, Hanggang Sole, and Niebe. And those three are masterpieces, you know. And not to mention their powerful vocals, of course, their harmonization is spectacular, amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for actually recommending those three ballads to me. I'm gonna watch other music videos and other recommendations in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.